Guys, welcome back to an unboxing video. Today we are I'm here with Carrie.
Hey.
David Ortiz.
Hey.
And ATGC Archives.
Hi.
And today we are unboxing the Home Depot 2020 Dreadful Dreams Jack in the Box. Wow.
He's pretty big when we've seen him in the store.
I'll post a store tour of him later.
There's obviously no comparison to the one that we got from Spirit this year. This one actually doesn't pop out of the box.
Of course, people already saw it.
Well, I didn't know that.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh. Okay.
Wow. Huh, that's different.
What does that mean?
Are the instructions on the box?
One more side left.
There it goes.
Okay.
I didn't know that. Has it been that long since we got Home Depot prop? That the instructions are on the box. That is clever. Did you guys know that? Did anybody know that? I don't remember that. But I don't remember last time we got something from Home Depot. Well,
we did get the Santa.
yeah, but I don't know. Maybe this is something new for this year. Maybe
this is new.
I mean, as far as the Halloween. Oh.
That would be doing small again.
Okay.
Hi guys. Okay. Let's see. So what do we have in here?
Wow.
The arms are.
Jesus, his hands are huge.
Jeez, look at that. Put your hand out next to it.
Wait, here's my hand compared to mine. Jesus.
That's one thing I remember when we've seen him. His big hands and his big face.
He has a big head.
Yeah. There's his head there.
His foot. Oh my God.
Show them.
I've always wanted to touch his face. Or head. His head's in here. Should I take it out?
No, maybe leave that because they can see. You can see it here through the plastic.
Jesus,
Bonnie, get out of it.
It's huge. This thing is huge. I bet this is gonna be hard to set up. This is heavy as well.
What is that?
Heavy.
That actually, I think.
Close.
No. This goes around.
Look.
Oh, there's the jump coil, whatever it is. This, I was told, goes around it, so it fits up like over the poles. So Frying the Box actually has like sides that you build, but this slips over like a pillowcase type of thing. Oh, what is that? Oh, look, it comes with step-by-step 3D instructions. So I guess that would be a lot easier.
But you have to download an app called BILT.
For Built, I'm assuming.
You have to download an app called Built to do a 3D test.
So Home Depot has some pretty new creative little
adapter
things. Adapter.
I'm really excited to set him up. I really love him.
You okay, Carrie?
Yeah, I'm fine. Possibly in the future, I'll probably get Gravedigger next, but that might be a high chance of happening.
And so this is just the poles, I think, that that's going to go over to make it look like a box. And like I said, it's just that goes over it.
Yeah, everything
it's like
here is zip tied.
Pillow, yeah, everything's zip tied in here, so we can't take any of this out. But we will do a demo shortly, hopefully. And that is it. That's all the pieces of this guy.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and most of all, hit the notifications so there will be a Christmas-tastic and a Halloween-tastic video. Bye! Bye.